What are the landmark asbestos legal battles for lung cancer? Imagine a story where workers exposed to a silent hazard fought back to hold companies accountable. That story is rooted in the landmark legal battles over asbestos and lung cancer. These cases helped establish that asbestos exposure can cause serious lung diseases, including lung cancer and mesothelioma. They also set important legal precedents for worker safety and corporate responsibility. The first notable lawsuit started as early as 1929, when 11 employees sued Johns Manville, a major asbestos manufacturer. Although these early cases recognized asbestos hazards, it took decades for widespread litigation to really take off. In 1964, a scientist named Irving Selikoff published a groundbreaking study showing a clear link between asbestos exposure and lung cancer, mesothelioma, and other lung diseases. This scientific evidence fueled legal actions and prompted regulatory attention. One of the most significant cases was Borel v. Fibreboard Paper Products Corporation in 1973. Clarence Borel, an insulation worker exposed to asbestos for over 30 years, sued after developing mesothelioma. The court ruled in his favor, holding manufacturers liable for not warning workers about asbestos dangers. This case was a game-changer because it set a legal precedent that companies had a duty to protect workers from asbestos risks. It opened the floodgates for thousands of similar claims across the country. In 1982, Johns Manville filed for bankruptcy due to mounting asbestos claims. As part of the settlement, the company created a trust fund to compensate victims. This was the first asbestos trust fund and has paid hundreds of millions of dollars to those affected by asbestos-related diseases, including lung cancer. During the 1990s, courts clarified that asbestos claims were too individualized for class action suits. Cases like Georgine v. Amcom Products emphasized that each victim's exposure and health outcomes vary, so lawsuits should be handled on an individual basis. More recently, from 2015 to 2020, for many asbestos lung cancer lawsuits have resulted in large jury awards. These verdicts reflected ongoing recognition of asbestos as a major risk factor for lung cancer. Workers exposed in industries like construction, mining, and manufacturing have received significant compensation, highlighting that asbestos continues to impact lung health today. These landmark legal battles have shaped how we understand and respond to asbestos exposure. They have made companies accountable, created mechanisms for fair compensation, and reinforced the importance of protecting lung health. If you or someone you know has been exposed to asbestos, it's essential to consult healthcare professionals for medical advice and screening. Remember, understanding the history of these legal cases helps us appreciate the importance of workplace safety and ongoing research into lung health.